Oh, first time ko na gano'n, nagpa-ship ng ano eh. First time kong nagpa-ship ng magkasama.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
There you go, my bossing. It's mail day.
No Jordan. Holt's collection plate is never empty.
So this time ay mabilis-bilis ng shipment. But just to let you know, guys, medyo kung napasin nyo, medyo matagal yung ating tayo hindi masyado nakapag-upload ng mga bagong releases dahil nga sa karamihan napepending sa shipment. But this one medyo mabilis-bilis na ang ng DHL, so hindi naligaw ng kaya medyo masaya tayo at mabilis na lumas. So, itong resibo. Ayan. Oh, first time ko na gano'n, nagpa-ship ng ano eh. First time kong nagpa-ship ng magkasama. So, here you go. Ayan bagong release na naman ng Tenga ba? Pero this time medyo malupit yung mga box. So this just a mailbox. So what's up, guys? Don't forget i-unbox natin to at i-review natin. So here you go. This is another one, another Gridman Universe, this time with Diaclone. Eto na nga siya, mga bossing. Excited na tayo ditong buksan to. Tara, unbox na natin to. So I can say this is my first Diaclone, but it's not the first Gridman dahil naka-score na tayo ng Gridman before. Medyo not a good one, but a good start. So here you go, mga bossing. Galing na to. Ayan, makinis-kinis pa. Ganda na kanyang art. Solid talaga. Hindi siya yung parang picture lang ng toys. Kumbaga talagang ano siya eh. Tawag dito, drawing siya. So it's like an anime drawn picture. So this time is from Takara, Tomy. So here you go. Ayan. So yeah, buksan natin, makita natin lahat-lahat. Okay, karambit style. Ayan. Okay. Ooh. Look at that, mga bossing. Astig na yung itsura. So here's the manual. Kapal dalawa pa. So before we got that, let's see muna tong manual kung anong difference nito at bakit siya makapal. And as usual, so yan, may coupon dito kung naintindihan nyo how to get this. Here you go. But we'll also try that. Okay, so we got two battle gridsman. So I think you can do two options dito. Kaya ganun siguro. So check out my review. We'll check out the page one by one here. Okay. Oh, we just only have a quick look. This unboxing only. There you go. Okay, another karambit challenge here. I'm sure you guys wanna love that sounds. Okay, here we go mga bossing. Overall, ito lang siya. So, see you in the next review of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe kung hindi nyo pa nagagawa. And share nyo na rin tong video na to. Remember guys, this is not for me. This is for the toys. So, thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. Peace out.